Hey everyone! If you're like me, you know that creating content is only half the battle. The real game changer? Understanding your audience. Today, I'm going to share some invaluable tips on how you can get inside the minds of your viewers and see impressive results. First things first, analytics are your best friend. Platforms like YouTube and Instagram provide detailed insights into who's watching your content, age, location, what they like, and even when they're online. Dive deep into these metrics. The numbers don't lie, and they can tell you a lot about who's engaging with your content. Next up, engage directly with your audience. Don't just talk at them, talk with them. Use polls, surveys, and ask direct questions in your comments. This interaction isn't just good for boosting your engagement metrics, it's a goldmine of insights. Here's a pro tip. Pay attention to the kind of content that generates the most response. Is it tutorials, personal stories, reviews? Identifying this can help you tailor your future content to better fit what your audience craves. And don't forget about the power of social listening. Tools like Google Alerts or Mention can help you keep tabs on what people are saying about you or topics related to your channel across the web. This can be a great way to anticipate trends and understand what's capturing the interest of your potential viewers. Lastly, always be testing. Try different types of content, different posting times, different calls to action. Then analyze what works and what doesn't. This cycle of testing and learning will fine-tune your approach and help you connect more effectively with your audience. Understanding your audience isn't just about gathering data, it's about making that data work for you and creating content that resonates, engages, and grows your viewer base. So get out there, be curious, engage, and keep evolving. Your audience will thank you for it. That's all for today, folks. Start using these tips to better understand your audience and take your content to the next level. Can't wait to see what you all come up with. Catch you in the next video.